Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Repeat Chess here. Just decided to show you another in-game study when I'm, have problems thinking what I should show you. I think it's one of the best. Than showing like one knight c3 or one, I don't know, rook k1 or something. Yeah, opening. It's I think more useful. So So this is cool. You might think that black actually have some winning chances, and I wouldn't be surprised if just in a normal game, black would capture all the pawns and play a winning endgame, probably two bishops against a knight. But this is just one move who decides everything, and so basically what happens if you play something like king to b4 going closer to the pawn to support it, black will capture this way, and I think black has better position. No way you can get this pawn going. So what's going on here? So white tries to play b7. Engine actually says that king e6 is the best move and suggests to play such an endgame. Knight takes d4, taking the pawn, and he says that this is completely winning for white with two pawns extra. Yeah, but of course the most principled move is king c7, kind of taking the pawn and attacking the knight. So what white should do here? So white plays knight to d7. It's not a fork, but there are two problems for black now. King on c7, um, has to take care of this pawn, and unfortunately, this king, if you play something like this, yeah, then it's queens, and white wins easily. So, so black takes naturally takes here, and white wins this bishop. So I think black would be happy to play like bishop to c4 and control this square, and then bring a king, and that's going to be a draw most likely. White will have winning chances, but king is here, so it's not possible. So black takes on f3 with idea that if you play like king to e6, I'll play bishop h5 and take control of this file, and I will be able to give bishop or bring king closer. So let's try another move, this one. So yeah, I will play this move, but if you play f7, which is winning, that's black is in Zugzwang, yeah, because if you play bishop d5, then I'll just block with the knight. So it's kind of nice touch by white here. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.